Welcome to TechRix Info, the engineering tutorial hub. Today we'll be learning about different type of gears with the help of this animation. The spur gear, the helical gears, the bevel gears, the worm gears, and the rack and pinion gears. Okay, now what are gears? Gears are very important in motorized equipments to produce gear reduction. Now let's learn about a spur gear. As you can see on the screen, this is a spur gear on the screen. Spur gears are the most common type of gears, and they have straight teeth, as you can see over there, um, and are mounted on parallel shafts. So you can see the gears which has a hole in the center which will be connected towards the shafts, and sometimes many spur gears are used at once to create very large gear reductions. Spur gears are commonly used in electric screwdrivers, oscillating sprinklers, and other cloth dyeings, etc., washing machines, etc. You can see this. This is mainly used, but they are not commonly used in cars because the spur gears can be really loud. They will make a loud sound while working, because when these teeth get through each other, their impacts makes a noise, and it also increases the stress on the gear teeth. To reduce this noise and stress in the gears, most of the gears in the cars and automobiles employ helical gears. So now let's see helical type gears. So this is how a helical gear looks like. The teeth on helical gears are cut at an angle to the face of the gear. When two teeth of a helical gear system engage, the contact starts at one end of the tooth and gradually spreads as the gears rotate until the two teeth are in full engagement. This gradual engagement makes helical gears operate much more smoothly and quietly than the spur gears. For this reason, helical gears are used in almost all car transmissions, etc. Okay, next is the bevel gears, as you can see on the screen. Bevel gears are useful when the direction of the shaft's rotation need to be changed. They are usually mounted on shafts that are 90-degree apart, but can be designed to work at other angles as well. The teeth on bevel gears can be straight, spiral, or hypoid. Straight bevel gear teeth actually have the same problem as that of the spur gears. So to avoid that, the solution for this problem is to curve the gear teeth, as you can see over here. Here the gear teeth have been curved over here so that impact load can be reduced, and the noisy operation also can be minimized in the bevel gears. Okay, then now let's see the worm gear. Okay, worm gears are used when large gear reductions are needed. It is common for worm gears to have reductions of uh, 20 is to 1 and even up to 300 is to 1 or greater. Many worm gears have an interesting property that no other gear sets have. The worm can easily turn the gears, but the gear cannot turn the worm. This is because of the angle on the worm is so shallow that when the gear tries to spin it, the friction between the gear and the worm holds the worm in place. So that's the worm gear. Now we have the rack and pinion gears. As you can see, the rack and pinion gears are used to convert rotation into linear motion. A perfect example of this type of gear is what you can see currently on the screen. You have the rack here on the bottom, and this is pinion on the top. So this is a rack and pinion gear system. So I believe you got an idea about different type of uh, gears used. For more engineering tutorial video updates, please click the subscribe button on top of this video. If you have find this tutorial useful, please click the like button or drop a comment to motivate us. We are also available on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video.